alaikum. This is end of March and in North Carolina. So what we're planning to do is put some flowers in our beds. So I wanted to show you, Toshikam, I want to show you how I have done this. So basically, these are the rows of the flowers. Can you come look at it here, please? There's a one row, I put this in. This is a pink color flowers. Then this is almost purple, bluish purple row. And then this is yellow. And then now again going to go back to this pink flowers over there. So I'm going to make layers like that all the way up to this. So when they grow, they will look very nice. This is the idea I got from Islamabad Club, which I was just recently. So that's what we're going to do today. So in this dirt, I want to show you here in my tractor. This is regular garden soil. And I add this black cow manure in it. So I mix it up like this. Mixed it up like this. And this is what I'm going to use in between when I bury these plants. So I've already lined up all these plants, so that'll be easy for me to put them in. This is the way I plant these. So this is the, as you see the plant. So what I do is I bring the dirt together nearby like this, then take it up like this. And I make it forward like that. Then this thing goes on the back of it. And then I push it down like that. So here's another one. Like this. Like this. So this is the way I will put this row on, then there will be next row like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is what I did yesterday. You see the roses of this flowers which I put in. You see it's layer by layer. It's pink, then mauve, and then again yellow, and then pink, and then again purplish, and again yellow. So this is the way I was going to do all the way up. So when they fill up the space, they will look very nice. Besides that, I put in these gamlas. You could see I put flowers in there too. And these are the ones I'm going to put it on in front of our door. And on this side, I put some hostas, and also on this side also I'm using this same pattern, the flowers I put in. And this row you see, this is the tulips which are growing from last year, which I put it in the fall of last year, and now this tulip will come. Some of the tulips I put it in this gamla also, and they're also coming up. So the roses still not here yet, but they should be coming very soon. I am also fixing up my vegetable garden very soon, and I'm going to share with you the videos of that also. Thank you very much for watching my videos.